Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I'm super excited because I just received my October kindness box. This is the second box I've received. So the kindness box is a seasonal box and this is their first official box. So the one I received 3 months ago was kind of like their like startup box just to like get word out there and like see what people thought and all of that. So I love the message of this box. So like I said, it's seasonal. It's $49.99, so it's like the same price as other seasonal boxes, like for example FabFitFun's the same price. But this box you get 8 to 10 items and it's all featured around bringing like some sort of kindness into your life. And I just love the message. You know, I'm all about those positive vibes. I absolutely loved the first box. If you guys did not see that video, I'll link that down below if you want to see more of the kindness box, but I seriously love this box. I'm going to link them down below. I'm also going to link down below all of my giveaways I have going on, including my 7K giveaway, which includes the new, I was going to say newest ABH palette, the one with Carly Bible, but I think they just announced some more today, but we won't get into that. But if you are interested, the giveaways are down below along with the link to the kindness box. But yeah, let's get started. So this is what the box looks like. It says kindness on it and then it says kind you, kind community, kind earth. Love that. So you can find them on Instagram at Get Kindness. But yeah, let's get this box open and see what's inside. My mail woman is outside right now and she just like had to bring up all these boxes to my door and I think she could like see me filming, so maybe now she knows why I get so many boxes. Anyways, when you open the box, this is what you see. So it says fall in love with kindness. Oh, I love that. So super cute. And then the back it says what's in my box and then lists all of the items. So super cute. And then, let me show you what this says. It says, don't throw your wrap away. One of the many things I love about this box is how eco-conscious it is. I said like Inco, what am I talking about? So it's pinned together with an actual pin that says kindness. It matches the outer box, which is super cool. And then don't throw your box away. So let's see, I smell something. Don't throw your wrap away. Here's an idea we came up with on how you can repurpose it. We thought this fabric wrap would make something great, included as a pattern to get you started. You can find instructions on our website. Oh, that's awesome. They did this last time. So here, I think they gave you instructions on how to make like a beanie, which is super cool. So they gave you like the cutout and then all the items are wrapped up in this red felt. So that's what you can use to make your beanie, or you can come up with your own creative way of how to reuse it. It feels so soft. So I'll show you it more towards the end. When I take the wrapping apart, this is what you see. So there's a bunch of stuff in here. This is super exciting. I'm just gonna grab the first thing I noticed because it's so freaking cute. This looks like it's like a little reusable like coffee cup. And look, the top is a little heart. And I think you pull this up so yeah. So you can use the heart to like attach it to something or just hold it this way. Isn't that so cute? And it has the ridges around the side, so it makes it easy to hold. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So let's see if it says anything more about this. I love the color pink. This is so cute, and the heart is too. And it's perfect for fall, like if you know you're having your like pumpkin spice latte, your coffee, your tea. You can use it in here. So on the mug, don't worry, we didn't forget something for you to put that. Oh, there's something that goes with it. I remember that from the last box. So a lot of the things in here are coordinated. So that is super awesome. So yeah, so this is the mug and it comes with something to put in it. So let me find that item. Here it is right here. Oh my gosh, Coco's Gourmet Hot Chocolate. It says this mix contains a milk product. So you use 2/3 cup plus half a cup or 1/2 cups of hot water or hot milk. Oh, and it looks like there's actually marshmallows in it. Can you guys see? This is a big bag too. Oh my god, that sounds so good right now. It's like hot where I live. I say this all the time, but like it's cold inside my place. Like before I start filming, I like blast the air so I'm not like sweaty, and then I turn it up so these lights are on me. So it's a little cold. So this sounds super good right now. So yeah, it says, don't worry, we didn't forget something for you to put that cocoa in. Sip with a smile using this eco-friendly compostable wheat straw portable mug, which is awesome. And then cocoa mix, warm your belly with this delicious locally blended cocoa. Awesome, this sounds so good. So first 2 items, super cute and fitting with the season. I love when we get like boxes, seasonal boxes that actually go with the season. So far this box definitely does. So let's see, what is next? There's something in this box here. How about we open this next? Oh, so excited. I love stuff like this. Looks like we have a wax melter and it is so cute. So here is what it looks like. So it also came with a little tea candle. So you put this tea candle inside there and light it, and then you put your actual wax on the top and it melts it. So this is super awesome. So it says make your home just a little more cozy with this cute ceramic wax melter, and to go with it we got some wax melts. Oh my god, I'm totally gonna use these. Ooh, and this is Sugar Cookie Soy Wax Melt Moonstone Candle Co. Handcrafted in Willington, Connecticut. So awesome. So we get 6 wax melts there. Let's smell them. I love candles and wax melts so much. Oh my god, it seriously smells like a sugar cookie. And it says no wax melter would be complete without these clean burning soy wax melts. You guys, they smell so good. Oh my god. And that like cookie like smell like makes me think of fall too. It's like warm, like baking is something you don't really do like in summer months, you know, right? Do like fall and winter, so that's perfect. Awesome. And we have something in here. It's like in a little drawstring bag. Let's see. Ooh, whatever's in here smells good. Oh, cool. So it looks like we got, oops, dropped it. Well, I dropped it, but just picked it back up. It looks like we got a diffuser necklace, which is super cool, and some oil, essential oil. Let's see what kind. Ooh, lavender, 100% natural aroma lavender oil. So let me put this necklace together so I can show you. But yeah, it says aromatherapy diffuser necklace. This lovely necklace is perfect for your favorite essential oils. And then pure essential oil. Here's a great oil to start in your diffuser necklace. And lavender is such a great oil. It's great at like relaxing you, calming you. It's good for anxiety. It has so many good purposes. And it smells so good too. I love lavender. So here is what the necklace looks like. Am I showing you the front or the back? Yeah. So super cute. And you open it up and you put inside one of these that you pre-soak with the oil. Just put a few drops or a drop or 2 on here, and then you wear it and it diffuses throughout the day, and it's super cute too. So awesome. This is such a good idea. And then it looks like we have, by Patty Pan Naturals Victorian Brew Facial Steamer. I've always wanted to use one. I've never used a facial steamer before, but this is made of dead sea salt, black tea, marigolds, lavender, cornflowers, rose petals, and bergamot oil. You can kind of see all of the ingredients in there. This smells good. Everything kind of smells good right now. But it says, facial steamers are the perfect way to open and detox pores. After using a quick splash of cold water, it will show you clean, tight pores. Working as both a detox and a toner, not only does this detox and tone, it also helps reduce inflammation and reduce blemish-causing bacteria. Awesome, I could use that. It says to use, you pour 1 heaping tablespoon of steamer mix into a medium-sized mixing bowl. You pour 4 to 6 cups of boiling water, mix and stir and dissolve some of the salts. And then you place a towel over the bowl, allow it to cool while covered for about 5 minutes. During this time, you can wash your face and put your hair back, and then check the temperature of the water to ensure it's not too hot. And then place towel over head and shoulders like a tent. Lower face about 6 to 8 inches from the water and allow the steam to wash over your face. Many people find that also breathing the steam in slow as an added benefit. Once the water gets cold, you can refresh with more boiling water. After your steam, give your face a quick splash of fresh cold water to close up your pores. Cool, it's like a little spa at home. That's awesome. Ooh, it looks like we have some other like kind of spa slash like self-care items. We have some collagen crystal eye masks. So I love eye masks, and it looks like we have them in 2 colors, so that's fun, pink and white. So I love them. I have really puffy eyes even when I sleep. I've talked about this before. So I find that doing eye masks definitely helps, especially when I need them even more than usual, like when I don't sleep as well. So it says, yeah, we don't always get our full beauty rest during the holidays, but we can look like we do with the eye mask. So awesome. And then it says, let us bring the spa to you with this all-natural facial steamer, which I kind of alluded to already. So awesome. And then it looks like we have a scarf in here by Yaya's house. I think that's what this is. Let me get this off. So it says on here, come to Yaya's house for all your custom sewing needs. Our door is always open. So I wonder if this is like a custom made scarf. Oh, this is so cute too. I love the colors. It's like a wine, like burgundy type color with some black. And it feels super nice too. Awesome. I can like bring this with me when I travel around the holidays. So it says scarf. It just wouldn't be fall without a scarf. We found this beautiful handcrafted one just for you. That's so amazing that it is handcrafted, and I just love the color of this like so much. Like this is super cute, perfect for fall. And then what are these? I think we have like little like ghosts, or I think they're supposed to be. Super cute. And I think there's something inside of these, like, let's see. Oh, you know, I think I heard someone talking about these. Does it say it on here? I don't think it says it in here. I think it said it on their social media. But they package these like cute little felt wraps that you can like look like little ghosts. See, it even has like little arms that you can reuse the felt. But inside, I think these are like little seed balls, so you can plant these and it will grow some plants. So I think that is so amazing. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 5 of those in here. And then this felt's super soft, so you can repurpose that if you want. Like you can keep this around for the Halloween holiday and stuff and then plant them. So that is so amazing. And then like last month we have a bonus gift. This is the featured artisan bonus gift. It's in this cute drawstring bag. I love the green. It says this bonus gift was provided to you by Winter's Meadow. Awesome. If you love this product as much as we do, reach out to the artisan and let them know. See what other unique products they have to offer. We know they would be excited to hear from you. That's awesome. So you can find out more of the artisan's contact information at getkindness.com/featuredartisans. And then at Get Kindness, we like to share our platform with small artisans. Our bonus gift program allows small artisans to share their goodies with the larger audience. This helps build and support these small local gems that might not have been seen otherwise. It also gives our customers a chance to get an extra unique product in their box for free. Everyone wins. And what we got from Winter's Meadow, oh my god, this looks beautiful. So it says Winter's Meadow Saturated Oil Based Body Care, and this is tobacco and bay leaf, alluring blend of herbal bay leaf, crisp fir needle, romantic bergamot, rich cedarwood, and cozy tobacco leaf. So this is a soap. Okay, just look how pretty it looks before even opening it. Oh my god. And on the back it says 100% coconut oil soap, no fillers or detergents ever, just real authentic soap, plastic free, biodegradable, and eco-friendly, made to keep you clean and the earth tidy. Handmade by a twin mama pursuing her passion, made in Spokane Valley, Washington. That is awesome. You could visit their website, wintersmeadow.com. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to see this. Oh my god, this soap is like the prettiest soap I've ever seen. So see that like gold strip in the middle? That it looks like waves. This is so pretty. And then the top. Have you guys ever watched the soap making on YouTube, like the videos? Like this is not easy to do, and this is like the most beautiful soap I've ever seen. And it smells good too. Smells really good. It's so pretty. These are like my favorite colors. I love that. That is so awesome. And that's awesome that they feature a local artisan, you know, and like get some exposure. I just love the message of this box so much. I thought this was so good. So let's just do like a quick recap before we go. So we got our little bonus gift, which is so cute, by Winter's Meadow, the soap. And I think we could have gotten a variety of different soaps from them. And then we have the facial steamer, which I love, along with the eye mask, so you can have like a little spa night at home. We have our mug and the cocoa, which is awesome. And we have our wax melt with the tea light candle and the sugar cookie wax melt. It smells so good. And then we have our lavender essential oil along with the diffuser necklace. And then I almost forgot to show you. Let me get this out. This is the material that they pack it with. This is like really soft felt material that you can reuse. Like I said, you can get the directions to make a beanie on their website. I love the color of this too. Oh, and of course we got the scarf. I have that on, so I like forgot about it. It's so cute. I love that it's handmade, and I love the colors of it. Perfect for fall. And then we have some stuff to make the beanie and all of that. So in the little ghost that you can plant some trees and spread kindness in the world by making the world a better, healthier place. I love this box. It's so cute, you guys. I love that it spreads kindness. It's good for our environment. You can reuse everything. And it says something on the box I didn't see. It said, from the bottom of our hearts, we hope this box brings you happiness. When we are at our best, we can give our best to the world. Let's make the world kinder together. Like, I didn't even notice that at first. That's so precious. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this box, I highly recommend it. I really like it. I'm gonna link them down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this kindness box with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.